Yeah, it's his first time to see again the sea for about 12 years, right?
Yes. First time to see a cow.
Yeah. Was able to see a cow, a goat, chickens. Was able to, get some mangoes. What else? And Kamachilicho. I don't know. So why are we focusing on you? Let's go back to Neil Daniel Conde.
Okay.
So Neil, what would you like to say to Daniel Conde for inviting us here in Alaminos, Pangasinan?
It's a great experience and honor to be invited.
Your honor, you don't know.
I don't
Yes.
remember.
Yeah, this is Alice Go's sister. How about you?
Since this is my first time, I would like to request also my second time na sana.
Next year?
Yeah, next year.
Next year, baka magdala na ako.
Yeah! Sana may plus one na kami.
My God, Sam, to the nerve.
Para sa makakanood nito, sana ikaw na yung plus one.
Yes. How about you guys? Since you shared as a couple, what are you going out to? How thankful are you that Daniel Conde were able to invite us here?
Lumalayo
Come on, tell us something.
Well, at first,
Lahat i-interviewin mo.
we thought that Neil were kind of distant friends compared to you guys. So I'm thankful that he invited us to this celebration.
Yes. Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can wrap it up if you want. So you guys are very thankful. How,
Congrats, Neil.
yes, congratulations, Neil. Okay, how about the others? Hey, Simangan. Okay, so these couples also would like to say something about Daniel Conde. Come here, guys. Be, lapit dito, Be. How thankful are you guys that Daniel Conde invited you to this kind of, event?
Siya pala yung nagpapalutang sa'yo.
Arlene, come here. You guys should share the couple.
12 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
Yes.
How about you, Arlene? You think the same way just like si Mangas did?
Yes mo daw. Yung pagpunta mo dito.
100%. So yeah, that's it. We're very, very thankful, and we would like to really thank Daniel Conde on giving us this opportunity to come here and experience our engineer Daniel Conde, to experience this kind of adventure, because this is really fascinating and really adventurous to really come here and experience this kind in a private island, guys. We're here in Mayor's Island in Alaminos City, Pangasinan. So yeah, we're very honored and thankful that that's it. Goodbye, God.
Peace out.
Hi, si Winnie.
Peace out.
Winnie!
Yan mo ng message.
Yeah.
Come
Okay, come here. Hi, Winnie. So it's your turn. So, can you tell me something about your experience here? You're coming with the friends of Daniel and also the family, and you. Go.
Actually, it's my...
Yes,
Hindi, Tagalog na lang. Tagalog na.
No, you have to speak in English because
Really?
everyone's
English?
speaking. Yeah,
Oh, really?
they really did. We all speak in English when I talk to them. Come on. let's-
That's amazing. Yeah, it was a great experience here. Actually, I've been here for about 5 times already.
In this island?
Yes.
Oh, I
Yeah.
thought it's just for me.
Yeah, but before it is included in the
Package.
island hopping.
Oh.
Yeah, but now it's already exclusive. But thankfully we got the chance to experience this.
Yeah. Thanks to all the connections that we have.
Thank you, Kuya X, for
And well, thank you to that person right there, the one that's wearing pink shorts.
yeah.
Yeah. Come on,
So-
continue your speech.
Yeah. With that being said, thank you and
Naalala nila, di ba
yeah.
Yeah,
Also,
you-
I'm glad that the friends of my boyfriend is here.
Yeah, proud
that
boyfriend.
that made this celebration a lot exciting and memorable.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here.
Of course we did.
Okay.
It's really an overwhelming experience,
Yeah.
This adventure is really my best so far this 2024.
Wow, that's
yeah.
great to hear.
Yeah, I've been to different islands before, like in Polillo group of islands, but the beach here, it's just so amazing because